In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a document in Google Docs and Drive efficiently and seamlessly. This is a handy skill whether you're collaborating on projects or simply want a backup for your important work. To start off, open the Google Doc you intend to duplicate. If you're wondering where to begin, just head to your Google Drive, find the document, and give it a click to open. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the window. You'll see a menu item titled File. Go ahead and click on that. It's right under the name of your document, so it should be easy to spot. Now that you've clicked File, you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. From there, look for the option that says Make a Copy. Go ahead and select that. This is where the magic happens. A new window will pop up, allowing you to customize your duplicate document. In this new window, you have the chance to change the name of the document. Feel free to rename it to something that suits your needs or gives you a better sense of what this document entails. This is incredibly useful if you're managing multiple versions or projects. This menu also offers additional options to tailor your duplication process. For instance, you can choose the location within your Google Drive where you'd like this copy to live. By setting the right folder, you keep your drive organized and easy to navigate. If you're collaborating with others, you also have the fantastic option to retain any current sharing permissions. This means the same people who have access to your original document can also see this duplicated version if you so choose. Moreover, you might see a choice to copy over comments and suggestions from the original document. This feature is especially beneficial if you're working through iterations and want to keep all feedback intact as you tweak the content. There's also an option to include resolved comments and suggestions just in case you need to keep track of past changes. If any of these options don't align with your needs, simply unselect them. After you've made your selections, just click on Make a Copy, and there you have it. A new tab will open with an exact duplicate of your original document. It's that straightforward. You've now successfully made a copy of your document. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Your support helps us bring you more useful content. Until next time, happy document duplicating.